where my get money honeys at? Right here, where my iced out at? Right here, where my go getting at? Right here, where my silver spoon women at? Right here, you the girl, let that know. You rent through, girl, let that know. Enjoy yourself, let that know.
How you guys doing today? It's a real girl Trace. So today I'm installing this beautiful unit by Sensational Vice Unit 9 in the color 1B. Alright, Trace, let's get into it. Hold on, y'all. Before we get into it, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I've been consistent. I've been giving y'all videos every week. So I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Period. So if you don't know me, my name is Bully. Hello, how y'all doing today? Alright, let me stop playing. So, alright, I took my wax stick and I pushed back the hairline so it can be nice and sleek. How I like it. Hello. Now I'm just taking my hot comb, pushing it back. Sorry, I'm moving hella fast. Like, ooh. Alright, y'all. So this was a T-part unit. So I was tucking it to the best of my ability because, you know, T-parts don't have that much lace. So I'm not trying to make it look bald in the front, but I am trying to jagged the hairline so it can look kind of natural. And you see the black line behind the hairline? That is the track. So we have no room. But you know, I'm gonna make it do what it do. Alright, so I've been getting a lot of new subscribers. And if you're new, please don't be scared to comment. Comment what you want to see, what you like, how you like the wig. Make sure y'all just comment and make sure you like. I do not bite, so don't be scared to comment. I do comment mostly to everybody. So I'm just taking a wet stick and flattening out my middle part because like I said, real sleek. But honestly, in the end, it was not as flat as I would want it to be. But I didn't notice until like the next day that it was puffier than I would like it. If you see me making faces in this video, I was doing TikToks, you know, filming me do my hair because, you know, it's real quicker over there. You know, on YouTube, you got to show more details and more in depth with it. With TikTok, all you gotta do is show the card and show a little glimpse of you doing it, and boom, you done. So, if you want to follow my TikTok, you can do that. It's Burger Bull. Period. Make sure y'all follow. Right here, I'm just putting down my glue, putting it in 2 layers. I do my middle piece first, and then I do my side tabs. I try to leave all the clips in here so y'all can see it in more depth. But honestly, everything get repetitive to me, and I just kept doing the same thing over and over, like. And then even with my baby hairs, like I just kept parting it out because I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna keep lingering onto something until I feel like it's right. So I don't want y'all to get bored and be like, dang, she keeps showing us the same thing. That's why I usually just cut my videos down because I literally do the same thing over and over. Look, it's so repetitive to me. But y'all like details, so I'm gonna give y'all details. Well, some of y'all. Some of y'all like me straight to the point, period. But I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of both. Period. So right here, I'm just doing the side tabs, like I said, making sure it's all nice and glued down. Now look at me struggling to put this wig on my head. I don't know why my head's so big. I don't feel like God could have gave me this big behind head. Like he could have gave me a smaller head. You feel me? Like, and then I got thick hair, so my braids always thick. Hello, look at me, crazy. Act the fool. I'm always acting the fool, y'all. I wish y'all knew me. Well, I kind of wish y'all knew me in real life, cause I'm a whole fool. Period. Put my band on. I let that dry for like 15 minutes. I kept going back and forth with the dryer. Trying to get my thing burnt up, trying to get my lace melted into the skin, which it was giving. It was very much giving. It was giving. Sensational always do their thing with their laces, honey. Always. I'm straightening my part now because, you know, gotta have that middle part crisp. Hello? This me parting on my baby hairs. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Because I kept parting the same thing over and over, trying to make it match up. Because I am that girl. Baby hairs gotta match. Like, it's big on one side, gotta be big on the next side. Like, it gotta match up. So you see me sizing it with my eyebrows, trying to make sure it's like equal on each side, not one too farther and not one too in the front. Look, it gotta equal up to me. And trust, it's me that cut her baby hairs too dang on short, but I still made it work. I still made it do what it do. Right here, I'm using this girl, what it's called, gel edge control thingy. It's not all that good. It keep like it has this consistency where it rolls up if you rub your hands together. I hate that. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So it's too sticky. So I'm not gonna recommend that. But I did end up going in with my Gots to Be because it was not helpful and I was not having it, honey. So I'm just gonna keep swooping and swooping and swooping until I like my baby hairs. I did that for a while and until I got into how I wanted, cause like I said, gotta be perfect. Well, not perfect, but sisters. They gotta be sisters. Period. Sorry if I'm saying period too much. It's just a real girl. You know, a real girl actually from Florida. Period. A real girl really from Florida. Anyways, yeah, y'all see I'm doing my second baby hair. Now let me stop playing with y'all. But this wig was real nice. It was long, honey. Now I only kept it in for a little bit because I had to change my wig, honey. But the wig was super long. It was soft. Listen, get this wig. You can't go wrong with this wig. I really love this wig. It's black highlight. Well, I chose the color, of course. If you hit my dog, my bad. I had the hot comb on low temperature, pressing the heck out of the front. But like I said, I didn't press it enough. But it did what it did. So now I'm just spraying my hair with Gots to Be so I can lay it down. Because like I said, flat, flat. Hello. It's a real girl. So yeah, I'm doing that. And then I'm finna wrap my hair up. And then I'm finna just mousse my hair down. But yes, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you love this hair. You should get this wig for real, y'all. Like, it's real nice. Look at it. Look at it. Look at me. I'm cute. But yes, y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, make sure you shop my online toy company. Everything will be in the description box below. Look how long this hair was. Period. To my butt. Bye, y'all.